Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode brought to you by Passive Income for You. My name is Jeff Meheji, and I am very, very excited to bring you this review about giveaway profits. But before we do that, if this is your first time on the channel, this is your first time running across me, I'm glad that you're here. And if you're excited about affiliate marketing, how and learning about how you can use this as a way to be able to ditch your 9 to 5, maybe build something for yourself, then please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that whenever I put out new content, this could be something that could help change your current situation. You know about it and you be the first to take action with the information. Okay. Without further ado, we're going to jump into giveaway profits. Now, we're going to be trying to find out, is this a scam that, has been put out there to try to claim to be able to help you bank over 500 plus from giving away free gifts to people? Well, we're going to break it all down. We're going to talk about how giveaway profits works, the way that it's supposed to be able to generate you revenue, and whether or not it's worth your hard-earned money or whether you should run far from it. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the sales page, obviously, as you can see the bold claim here: how we bank over 500 plus from every person we give a free gift to, and build a huge email list of hungry buyers at the same time. And again, 100% done for you system that's automated. So the creator, Glenn Kosky, came up with this product, and feel free, I'll leave a link. I'm just going to go through this page really quickly and point out some things, but I'm not going to spend too much time with this so that we can get to the meat and potatoes. If you guys want to come back and spend as much time getting the information, be my guest. If you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to assist and provide clarity any way that I can. So you can see the first step: select your free offer. Second step, add affiliate link. Third step, get viral traffic and sales. Now, down below, you can see they also talk about select one of the 100% done for you offers we provide, and then add your autoresponder information and affiliate link into the software, and then sit back, watch your profits and list explode just by giving away 2 of our award-winning products for free. Now, how does this all work? If you're brand new and don't know really how affiliate marketing works, usually affiliate marketing, most people have an offer, a product or service, and they're promoting that product or the service and making sure that the more people they promote this to, if they're generating sales, they're going to receive a percentage of the sales in the form of commissions. So that's basically what this system is going to be able to do for you without really having any technical skills or know-how. So you don't have to produce a product. You don't have to create anything. Everything is pretty much done for you. Now, we're going to break down this whole process so that you guys understand. Again, first thing is selecting an offer. And what are we talking about? This is the giveaway. The giveaway could be something in the form of a free guide, a step-by-step guide, or a free list to help you do something. And that thing is, again, free. So that's the first step. You select the free thing that you want to give away. The next step is adding your autoresponder information and affiliate link into the software. You guys may be new and don't know what an affiliate link or an autoresponder is, so let me break that down. Excuse me. Autoresponder is basically a software that you use to collect information, whether it be an email, phone number, name, or a combination of all 3 of those things. But it's basically going to collect the information that you want it to collect and allow you to follow up with a prospect, whether that's a paying prospect or a future prospect that hopefully will spend some money with you. But it allows you to send messages to them and just stay in contact. Okay. So if you do not have an autoresponder currently, you may want to look into getting one, and I'll definitely share some information on an autoresponder that I think works awesome and will be the best fit for you if you're just getting started and don't have one, because there are no monthly fees. Yes, 0 monthly fees, and it does more than just email. But on to the next thing. Watch your profits and sit back, watch your profits and your list explode by giving away free products. Yes, okay. So that can work, because if somebody looks at a product for the first time, 9 times out of 10, they may not go ahead and purchase that product, so you're not going to make money. But sometimes they may purchase the product, which allows you to make some money. Either way, if you have your autoresponder information set up with this process, you're able to capture a lead. So imagine if you send 100 people to the page and only 50 of them bought, and you had no email autoresponder set up to be able to capture information like an email address, then you've missed out on the potential to send more marketing materials for different products or more sales pages to try to sell different products to those people that have purchased from you and the people who probably didn't purchase from you the first time. So anyone will tell you having an email list is very, very important if you're looking to make money online. So that autoresponder is crucial. The affiliate link is the way that the product owner figures out who is making sales through their promotions and figures out who is going to get paid from the sales that has been generated by their efforts. Okay, so the autoresponder is an asset builder for you, and the affiliate link is a way to track the commissions and the buyers that you have sent to the product. Okay. If you guys have questions, again, let me know, but I hope this is making sense and you're following along. And you may be thinking, how is it that I'm making money if these products I'm giving away for free? Well, that's exactly how it's designed, so that you can get the free product out to the people, generate the interest, and be able to get them excited about getting that free thing so that they give you their email and you can continue to follow up with them. But before they leave with that free thing you've given them, you're also going to share with them the opportunity for them to get something else that will help them out. And of course, that something else is not going to be free. They're going to have to pay for it. So if you can think of maybe the last time you went into Foot Locker or Foot Action. I don't even know if those stores are I know Foot Locker's probably still around. I don't even know if Foot Action's still around. It's been a long time. But anyway, my brother used to work there, so I know there was certain things that they had to sell. I believe at the time it was called multiples. But basically, you go in maybe to buy a pair of shoes, right? You have a new pair of Jordans in your mind that, man, I'm going to get these new Jordans. And I know that Foot Locker at the local mall has it. So you get in there and the salesperson is showing you the shoes, gets you your size, lets you try them on, everything's good. You're like, man, these are the ones. I got to have them. You grab them, and right before he rings you up, he's like, hey, man, you know what? They actually have these shoe cleaner, and they're on sale right now. And, you know, you just bought these Jordans for about $100 and something. You might as well get the shoe cleaner because you don't want them getting dirty and getting messed up. Only, you know, extra couple of bucks, and they're on sale right now. So I figure might as well grab these. And then you're thinking, you know what? Sure, why not? And then as soon as he puts that on the table, he realizes that, oh man, there's actually the whole Jordan sweatsuit fit that comes with this that's perfect match for the shoes that you just purchased. And these are actually half off as well. Or you get the free shoelaces when you buy the suit. Whatever it is, all those extra items are called upsells, and those items, sometimes they might call them buy one get one free, but the reality is you're not getting anything for free. You've already paid for it. It's in the price of the thing that you paid for, so it's not free. Anyway, that's how you make your money. It's through the upsells. So the free gift is to get the person excited, get their brain going, and realizing that there might be an opportunity that they're interested in. And once they start going down that rabbit hole, then chances are they might spend some money in the back end on the other upsells. Okay, now I'm going to direct you guys to a video that I want you to check out. Scroll down all the way in the sales page. It's about past halfway down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. And where is it? Here it goes. It's coming up, I believe. There it is, right there. This is a video that you might want to check out, and it'll give you more information about exactly how this is supposed to work once you purchase the system. It'll go into how you're giving away this free gift, and then how you're turning around and making some money after they share the upsells and all of that stuff. So if you're new, this would be a great video to break it down. And again, please leave comments, leave questions. I'm here for you guys, and I want to see everybody succeed. So I don't want anybody leaving this video feeling confused about what's coming up, okay? Now, from here, what else did I want to go over with you guys? Boom, the things that I liked and the things that I didn't like. Some of the things that I liked is that this is a done-for-you system. There's a lot of things that they've taken out of the way, so you don't have to worry about, you don't have to focus on that. You can focus your energy on getting traffic and finding eyeballs that are interested in the things that you're going to be promoting with the system. Again, you can have the best product, you can have the best service. If you don't have the eyeballs looking at that product or service and seeing how beneficial it is to them, no one's going to want to buy it and you're not going to make any money. So traffic is very, very important. I don't care what anyone tells you. Okay. I like the done for you. I like the fact that you can make money with this and you can build a list at the same time. The way that it's set up to capture an email, you can use this system again because a lot of it is done for you. All you have to do is plug in that autoresponder into the system and you're good to go and capture the emails, and you can make some money from the upsells that are provided as well. What I don't like about this system and the way that it's presented is that they say you won't need products, sales pages, or even a clue about traffic to do it. That's not true. Like I just told you, if you don't have traffic, you're not going to make any money. You need traffic. Now, there's a built-in traffic solution which they talk about, which is basically social media, and it's free. Yes, using social media, there's so many platforms: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, you name it. There's people out there on Instagram. There's people out there on Facebook. There's people using all these different social media platforms. Tap into them, the best ones depending on your niche, to figure out how to promote your products, your product offers, and you'll be able to be successful online. But anyone who tells you that you don't need traffic or you don't need to know about traffic and you can still be successful, full of it. Okay, don't believe the hype. All right. What else don't I like? No tech skills required. No ongoing costs. Those two things, I really don't like the fact that they say no tech skills required or no ongoing costs, because there are some other tech skills required. Once you get this whole system, again, you're going to need to have an autoresponder to be able to set it up and make it work the way that they're describing. If you don't know what an autoresponder is and you're watching this video and you buy this product, then you're going to be stuck and feeling cheated once you get into it and feel like, oh my God, I need an autoresponder. What the heck is an autoresponder, and does it come with it? No, it doesn't come with it. That's something, you have to get separate. And most of the time you're going to find an autoresponder, it's going to come with monthly fees. What does that mean? There are ongoing costs, but it just said there are no ongoing costs. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm telling you before you get into it. But luckily for you, you're watching this video, and the autoresponder that I will recommend and leave in the description is called Sendio. Sendio is an autoresponder that I highly recommend, and I'll leave a link to the article that I wrote about Sendio as well. But not only can you get emails, but you can also link it so that you can get Facebook Messenger, text messages, and they're adding Twitter as well. So all these different platforms, you'll be able to send messages, whether it be just a broadcast message or a sequence where you want it to send multiple messages to your subscribers on these platforms. So very powerful tool. They're actually updating it right now. This month, sometime later, I want to say on the 20th, they're going to be a 2.0, Sendio 2.0. Keep an eye out for that. If you guys are interested, let me know and I'll provide the details for you. But I don't want to keep you guys too long. I just want to say that thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for hanging out and getting this content. If there's any questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. But before you go, I want you to go down to the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts were on the presentation of giveaway profits. Is this something that you're thinking about checking out? And are you going to go ahead and actually pull the trigger? If not, what's stopping you? What are your drawbacks? What's holding you back from making that move? And just let me know what you're actually working on, so that way, if there's anything I can assist with, there's other products and services I intend on reviewing. Maybe some of them might be able to help you out, and I'll shoot the information your way. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy your Sunday. Make it a productive Monday, and I will see you on the next one. Till then, enjoy. Take care.